Hi there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I wanted to talk to you about the Lidl Christmas offer on Airfix kits. These are gift sets and starter sets. Now they are being sold from the 30th of November at £6.99 each. However, if you happen to have the Lidl Plus app on your phone and you use that, then you get a little bit of a discount. They're £6.29 each, so about a 10% discount. Now, I know a lot of you missed out on these when they're in the summer or indeed last year's sales. So here's a chance for you to catch up. Each kit is a gift set, so it comes with glue, it comes with paint, and it comes with a paintbrush. These will make a brilliant stocking filler. Who knows, they could even make quite an interesting Secret Santa gift at work. Or indeed, if you're already a model maker and you're looking for something to practice on, some new techniques, whatever, maybe treat yourself. £6.99 or with the Lidl Plus app, £6.29. Let's remind ourselves of what kits are on offer this year. First up, classic Airfix, the Supermarine Spitfire in all its Battle of Britain glory. Most model makers will tell you that the Spitfire was the very first kit they ever made. I know it was mine. Next is the Curtiss Tomahawk, an American fighter used by the RAF, and here shown in the desert colours of stone and earth camouflage and azure blue undersides. Then there is the cheeky looking Folland Nat trainer, sold here in the colours of the Yellow Jacks display team of the Royal Air Force. On terra firma now, and there is this set based around the iconic Willys Jeep, which also includes the airborne trailer and a 75mm gun. Then there is the Sherman Firefly tank. This is one of the new style starter sets launched just 3 years ago that has the tracks moulded as single pieces for ease of construction. As indeed does the last kit in the 2023 Christmas offer, the imposing German Tiger I tank. These kits are on sale from the 30th of November, as I say. Now, if you go into your store and they're not there yet, do check with the staff. Sometimes they have to wait for other items to sell out before they move the new stock onto the shelves. Sometimes they may actually be a little bit down the queue in distribution because they can't deliver to the whole of the UK all on the same day, and they can't have tons of stuff sitting in their warehouses on site because they haven't got the room. So don't be dismayed if they're not, you go on the 30th or on the 1st or 2nd of December even, and they're not there. Check with the staff and they'll tell you when they're expecting them in. That's the offer. Really, if you're interested in this, don't hesitate, don't hang around too long. I know both last year and in the summer, some of the more popular kits did sell out quite quickly. So if you're interested in something there, get on down your local Lidl store and check them out. Okay, hope you enjoyed the show. If you have, please remember, give it the old imperial thumbs up on the like button below because every like counts. And if you haven't done so yet, do subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell, doesn't cost you anything, and you will get a notification of all my future content as it is published. Thank you so very much for watching today. Hope to see you on the channel again soon. Take good care now, and goodbye.